Wealthfront Cash Account Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you've been searching for a modern, digital-first way to manage your money in 2025, you've probably come across Wealthfront and its cash account. It's marketed as a high-yield, low-fee alternative to traditional checking or savings accounts, with a tech-savvy edge for the digital investor. But the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Or is it better to leave it alone? Let's dive in and break down everything you need to know about the Wealthfront Cash Account this year. First, what is the Wealthfront Cash Account? Essentially, it's a hybrid between a checking account and a high-yield savings account. It offers FDIC insurance through partner banks, meaning your money is protected up to the standard limit. Unlike many traditional checking accounts, the Wealthfront Cash Account doesn't charge monthly fees, and it doesn't require a minimum balance. You can use it to pay bills, transfer money, or earn interest on idle funds. In short, it's designed for people who want a modern, digital approach to cash management. One of the standout features of the Wealthfront Cash Account is its interest rate. In 2025, it remains one of the more competitive options on the market. While traditional banks may offer near-zero yields, Wealthfront consistently provides a rate above 4%, depending on market conditions. This can make a significant difference over time. For example, if you keep $10,000 in the account at a 4% APY, you're looking at around $400 in interest annually without touching your principal. For someone used to standard checking accounts with little to no interest, that's a notable advantage. Opening a Wealthfront Cash Account is straightforward. You can do it entirely online in just a few minutes. Unlike conventional banks that require visits or extensive paperwork, Wealthfront's platform walks you through the process digitally, with identity verification and bank linking handled seamlessly. Once your account is open, you can fund it via ACH transfer, wire transfer, or even by rolling over funds from another Wealthfront account if you already invest with them. The digital experience is a major selling point. Wealthfront provides a clean, intuitive app and web interface where you can monitor your balance, track spending, and transfer money. It integrates well with external bank accounts, making it easy to manage multiple financial institutions from one place. One interesting feature is automated cash sweeps, which move idle money into FDIC-insured accounts to earn interest while keeping your funds accessible. This ensures that your money isn't sitting stagnant, earning nothing. Security is another critical aspect. The Wealthfront Cash Account employs robust encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect users, data and funds. Because the cash is held at FDIC-insured partner banks, it carries the same level of protection you'd expect from a traditional bank. Additionally, the account comes with debit card support, so you can make everyday purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions with ease. Zero liability protection ensures you aren't responsible for unauthorized transactions if your card is lost or stolen. Wealthfront also distinguishes itself through automation and intelligent cash management. For instance, you can set up recurring transfers to savings goals or link your account to Wealthfront's investment platform. This allows for a seamless transition between cash management and investing. You can even automate contributions to taxable accounts, IRA, or other Wealthfront-managed portfolios. For users who want a holistic approach to money spending, saving, and investing all in one ecosystem, this integration is compelling. Let's talk about fees. One of the most attractive aspects of the Wealthfront Cash Account is its low-cost structure. There are no monthly fees, no overdraft charges, and no minimum balance requirements. ATM withdrawals are free at in-network locations, though using out-of-network ATMs may incur standard fees. This makes it a low-friction option for people tired of traditional banks' complex fee schedules. While there are limitations like the number of free out-of-network ATM withdrawals per month, most users find the cost savings significant compared to traditional checking accounts. The Wealthfront Cash Account is particularly useful for certain demographics. For young professionals, tech-savvy individuals, and digital nomads, the online-first approach fits well with lifestyle preferences. If you're already using Wealthfront for investing, adding the cash account creates a unified financial hub for people who prioritize earning interest on their money without the hassle of maintaining multiple bank accounts. This account provides a clear advantage. It's also ideal for those who want to avoid traditional banks' monthly fees and fine print. However, the Wealthfront Cash Account isn't perfect for everyone. While it functions like a checking account, it may lack certain features that come standard at larger banks. For example, you won't find extensive branch networks or in-person support. While Wealthfront offers customer service digitally via chat or phone, some users still prefer face-to-face interactions for complex banking needs. Additionally, while the account does include a debit card, it doesn't support checks, which could be limiting for some use cases, such as paying rent or certain utility providers that require paper checks. Another consideration is that while the account earns interest, the APY can fluctuate with market conditions. Unlike a fixed-rate certificate of deposit CD, the interest rate is variable. In a rising interest rate environment, this can be advantageous, but if rates drop, the yield may decrease. That said, Wealthfront's rate has historically been competitive relative to other digital banks and high-yield accounts. Let's examine a few real-world scenarios. Imagine Jessica, a freelance designer who often moves money between clients, savings, and investing accounts. With a Wealthfront cash account, she can receive client payments, pay bills, and automatically invest excess cash. The high-yield interest provides extra income on idle funds, while the digital platform streamlines her finances. In this scenario, the account clearly adds value by combining cash management and investment facilitation. Contrast that with David, a retiree who prefers in-person banking, writes multiple checks monthly, and uses a large bank for other services. For David, the lack of physical branches and check-writing capability could make the Wealthfront cash account less practical, even though it offers competitive interest. In his case, the convenience of digital cash management is outweighed by his preference for traditional banking services. One of the most interesting features for 2025 is Wealthfront's automated saving and investment tools. For example, the Autopilot feature allows users to round up transactions and invest spare change into Wealthfront portfolios. While this is technically part of their investment offering, having a connected cash account makes the process seamless. It effectively turns everyday spending into a tool for wealth building, which is a unique selling point compared to conventional checking accounts. Security and fraud protection deserve another mention. Beyond FDIC insurance and zero liability protection for debit card transactions, Wealthfront employs advanced monitoring to detect suspicious activity. Users receive instant alerts for unusual transactions, and the mobile app allows for immediate freezing of funds or cards if necessary. For digital-first users, this level of protection is reassuring and aligns with the modern expectations of online banking. Another benefit is the simplicity of account transfers. Unlike traditional banks that may charge wire fees or limit ACH transfers, Wealthfront supports free ACH transfers to external accounts. You can schedule recurring transfers or make one-time payments without worrying about hidden costs. For those who frequently move money between accounts, this flexibility is a major plus. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Wealthfront does not offer joint accounts, so couples or family members who want shared access may need to explore alternatives. There are also daily transaction limits, which are standard for most prepaid or digital accounts, but could affect high-volume users. Lastly, while the cash account integrates beautifully with Wealthfront investments, users who prefer other investment platforms may not benefit from the full ecosystem. Summing it all up, the Wealthfront cash account in 2025 offers a compelling blend of high-yield interest, low fees, and digital-first convenience. It's ideal for tech-savvy users, freelancers, and anyone looking to manage cash while earning competitive interest. The integration with Wealthfront's investment platform adds a unique dimension, turning idle cash into potential wealth-building opportunities. The account's main limitations revolve around the lack of physical branches, check-writing capabilities, and joint account support. So, is it worth it or should you leave it? If you value high interest, low fees, and a seamless digital experience, the Wealthfront cash account is absolutely worth considering. It's a modern alternative to traditional checking and savings accounts, particularly for those comfortable with online banking and looking for integrated cash management and investment solutions. If your priorities include in-person banking, checks, or complex banking products, it might not be the best fit, but for the vast majority of digital-first users, Wealthfront's offering delivers both convenience and value in 2025.